high-level delegation led by United States Charge d'Affaires and Acting Ambassador to Pakistan, Ms. Natalie Baker, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babur Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The meeting remained focused on key areas of mutual interest and exploring avenues of enhanced Air Force to Air Force cooperation between the two sides. During this fruitful meeting, Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the historic and multifaceted relationship between Pakistan and United States, particularly in the domains of defense and security cooperation. He reiterated his resolve to further enhance the existing ties in the realms of military-to-military cooperation and training between the air forces of the two countries. The Air Chief further said that Pakistan values its enduring strategic ties with the United States, which are based on mutual trust, shared objectives, and convergence on key regional and global issues concerning peace and stability. The two sides also agreed upon the continuation of high-level military engagements in future through senior-level interactions. These interactions are deemed crucial for maintaining momentum in the ongoing cooperative endeavors in the areas of joint training, operational exercises, and military exchange programs between the two nations. The U.S. Charge d'Affaires expressed her appreciation for the professionalism and the pursuit of excellence by the personnel of Pakistan Air Force under the current leadership. She assured to play her role in reinitiating training exercises and exchange programs between PF and United States Air Force, reiterating that these exercises will not only enhance the operational capabilities of both air forces, but would also serve as a platform for sharing best practices and tactical knowledge. She expressed confidence that these training initiatives would significantly contribute to improving operational readiness and bolster interoperability between the two air forces. The initiative is expected to foster greater understanding and collaboration, thereby strengthening the bilateral military ties between the two strategic partners. This meeting between Chief of the Air Staff and U.S. Charge d'Affaires signifies a resolute commitment of both countries to reinforce military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations.